Hello MYP5, we are on page 512 and practice 2 question 1b. So let's look at question 1b. After we discuss question 1b, question 1c should be okay for you. So that was my diagram there, and you must have seen I've labeled this at A, B, C and D. And my formula is AX times XB is equal to CX times XD. So the length from A to X is the total length from here. This length plus this length. So A to X is the total length, X minus 1 plus X minus 3, then times X to B, which is X minus 3, times X minus 3. On the other side, C to X is the total length from here till here, which is 1 plus X minus 2. So 1 plus X minus 2 multiplied by X to D, which is X minus 2. Then you'll see I've removed the bracket because once I remove the brackets, your signs may be affected sometimes. So probably not in this case. So X minus 1, then plus X minus 3. And this X minus 3 is multiplied. On the other side, 1 plus X minus 2 and this X minus 2 is multiplied. Then I'm collecting all the like terms together. X plus X is 2X, negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. That is one in one bracket, and this X minus 3 is another bracket. In here, I'm just having a X, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. That's in one bracket, and this entire thing is in another bracket. Now I'm going to be expanding the bracket. The first term is distributed to both. The first term and the second term here is again distributed to both. Keep in mind the sign that's in front of the number. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Same thing, expansion on the other side would be x times x is x squared. Negative x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative times negative is a positive 2. Then I'm just trying to simplify this by collecting all the like terms. This will be simplified to 2x squared. Negative 6 negative 4 will be negative 10x plus 12. On this side, x squared minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3x plus 2. And since it looks like a quadratic equation, and you know we can only solve a quadratic equation if it is equals to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then you have to make it equal to 0. So I'm taking everything on one side, so it becomes equal to 0. 2x squared minus 10x plus 12. This plus x squared will come this side as minus x. Minus 3x will come this side as plus 3x. Plus 2 will come this side as minus 2. And then you can see I have my equation equal to 0. Again, I'm going to be collecting all my like terms. 2x squared minus 10x plus 12. So 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7x. 12 minus 2 is 10x equal to 0. So that's a simple quadratic equation. I can use the earlier method, looking for two numbers that multiplies to give you 10, and when you multiply multiplies to give you positive 10. When you add them, you should get negative 7. So x minus 5 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. Those are the two. So either your x value is 5 or your x value is 2. Right? You can use either of it. So if I'm using a 5, this length from here till here will become 5 minus 1, which is 4. This length will become 2. This length will become 3, and this is just 1. Right? You can also do the same using the x value as 2. Both should give you the same. Both is correct in this situation. Thank you.